This is the only aisle that I want to walk on for right now. If you want to travel, you need a real ID. I like riding with Southwest though because I get 2 free bags. This is good. I'm at my gate.
Happy summer.
Happy summer. So much work. You guys want to see? What's up, everybody? Hi. Today is the first day of Juneathon, and we're going to Houston tomorrow. I'm gonna post this on June 1st, 2025. If you guys don't know, Juneathon is basically like a marathon, and I just post every day for the month of June. The summer edition, and I named it Juneathon.
Tradition. And then you forgot to say happy summer.
Happy summer. I started it about 2 years back as a tradition, and now we're beginning again because it is June. And yeah, I'm going to Houston tomorrow. It is about 1 o'clock in the morning. I have to be at the...
Happy summer.
Happy summer. You want to say hey? Maya wants to say hey.
Hello.
Maya wants to say hey. But yeah, I have to be at the airport tomorrow at 5. Not 5. I have to be at the airport tomorrow at 6. It is currently 2. It is currently 1.
Ready to move to Houston for my birthday.
Maya's going to Houston for her birthday. Are you excited?
Yeah.
She's excited. She's going to be in Houston. We're going to be in Houston
What?
for the summer. We're going to have a ball. Well, me, I'm moving. They're going to be there for the summer. And we're going to have a ball. We're going to have a ball. We're going to do a Juneathon. And then
what is a Juneathon?
Juneathon is I just post a video every day for the month of June. You guys subscribe to my YouTube channel? I don't think you can subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's not a kid's channel. But anyways, yeah. I'm going to talk to y'all in the morning when I wake up. Hey y'all, good morning. So I made it to the airport.
Good morning. Do you have pre-check?
No.
Pre-check only. Stand up, student all the way down.
Oh, okay. Hold on. I was gonna grab my damn thing, but I'm actually not. Okay, so I made it to the airport. This is the fit I'm feeling. I checked in my bags. I had 2 bags that were big as hell. One of my bags was like 57 pounds. So I had to transfer stuff from that bag into my other bag because the other bag was like 30 something pounds. So I got that bag to like 40 something pounds. I threw away a pair of shoes, some lotion. I threw away some damn body wash. And now I'm at my gate. It's like 7 o'clock. My flights depart at, give me 1 second. Hi. Okay, y'all. I checked in, and now I am. This is the line for TSA. So I'm about to go wait in line. It's not that long, actually. It's not that bad. It's not bad at all. Like, it could be so much worse. You guys want to see? This is TSA line right here. It's pretty bright. It's early in the morning. Everyone's going to where they're going. We go through there. They pat you down. I have a pair of socks inside of my purse because we had to take off our shoes. And I got on sandals. That's what's going on. I don't know if I'm going to vlog the whole day. Because, you know, just travel with me, get settled in. I have an interview at 2 o'clock. So. And apparently I got a real ID, y'all. If you want to travel, you need a real ID. And it needs to have like this star or something on it. You can't use your regular ID. So yeah, I woke up at 5:30. I went to sleep at 3 in the morning. And the only reason I woke up was because my sister came and woke me up. And And then I got my Uber, which his name was Alex. Shout out to Alex. Alex was pretty cool. Carried my bags, came in, checked in my bags. I didn't record because I had 2 big bags and my hands were pretty full. But now I just have my laptop case, my purse, and my tripod at the back. The airport's pretty busy today. I think it's because of the DreamCon in Houston, which is where I'm going. Hey y'all, if y'all don't know, I'm going to Houston, Texas. It's where I'm originally from. And I'm moving back. So this is like a moving vlog. But not necessarily because this is going into GRWM. But I'm gonna do what I do. And I'm gonna check back in later. Guys, look how cute this is. Excuse me.
Please stand clear of the doors and hold on to the handrails. The gate link will be departed.
So this is a train. Let me show y'all.
Orlando experience. Brent needs to get his biscuit. You know who else needs to have a biscuit and an energy drink? That was it.
Oh, this is good.
On the phone, brother.
I'm about to board. I'm in Group A. They're boarding right now. I got my playlist ready. I'm gonna go listen to
Going through 8:30. Welcome aboard. Please again. Hold your
Little
board pass.
One. Let me look online. For Southwest, you can normally pick your seat. It just depends on what group you board in. So like if you board in Group A, then you board first. And you have a better chance of picking a better seat. Your choice, whichever one you decide.
31 through 60.
I like riding with Southwest though because I get 2 free bags. Alright. You're going. This is the only aisle that I want to walk on for right now. Maybe when I'm 25, I'll get married and walk down that aisle. After my man buy me a horse. Whenever I find the man. Whenever the man find me. I made it to Houston. I'm with Blake. But I made it to Houston. We're at Portia House. I don't know if I want to do this a daily vlog because it was just a travel with me vlog. And
Travel with me.
huh?
Just to travel with me.
Just to travel with me. That's what I'm doing because it's gonna be on the Juneathon. Juneathon is you post every day for the day of June for the month of June. So yeah, I think I'm about to end this vlog here, y'all. That's it. I made it to Houston. I made it safely. I changed. This is what's going on. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what tomorrow's video is gonna be. Probably actually it's gonna be getting my driver's license because I vlogged me getting my driver's license because it was gonna go in a weekly vlog, but I'm like, I'm not gonna do a weekly vlog because I'm doing Juneathon. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, maybe. I made it to Houston. I flew with Southwest. I flew out of Orlando Airport and then I came to Hobby. It wasn't a bad flight at all. Southwest, y'all need to clean y'all planes. I don't know which plane I was on, but Southwest, y'all need to clean y'all planes a little more. It's too much dirt and dust inside the fans. That's how I was feeling. But other than that, it was pretty great. The people at the desk was cool. They were really nice. I got her Instagram. Shout out to you if you watch this, girl. Shout out to you. You were so nice and kind. But yeah, bye. I love you guys. I'm going to talk to y'all later. Like, subscribe, and comment. I was going to say like, subscribe, and comment for more, but like, it's going to be more regardless. But like, subscribe, and comment. And enjoy Juneathon. Love y'all.